Today, I'll show you how to install the Shipmondo Print Client. Once the print client is installed on your computer, it runs in the background and communicates directly with your Shipmondo account. The print client gives you access to a range of extended printing options and file integrations, such as printing shipping labels faster, automatic printing, or connecting an unlimited number of printers to your Shipmondo account. All right, let's get started. Install the print client by clicking the link in the description. You can choose to download for either Mac or Windows. In this case, we'll choose Mac. Once downloaded, click the shipmondo.dmg file and drag the Shipmondo app into the Applications folder. If you have an older version of Shipmondo's print client installed, make sure to uninstall it. Next, we generate some API keys. Log into your Shipmondo account and go to Settings, then Integrations, and then API. If you already have API credentials set up, you can copy them, but you can add as many API credentials as you want. Now, we'll start up the Shipmondo app that we installed earlier. If the API user and API keys are not already set up, you will see a screen display where you can insert the keys. If a print client has already been set up, you can update or change the keys under Settings. If you're using a Zebra printer like we do here, a configuration file must be sent to the printer. Go to Calibration and then ZPL Configuration. Select the printer you want to configure from the drop-down menu and then click Print. It may take a few seconds for the printer to be fully configured. When it's finished, the printer will print a label and inform you that the setup is complete. Once the print client is installed, you can connect your printer or printers to your account, so you can automate printing of your labels and other documents. Connect your printer by logging into your Shipmondo account and click your company name in the upper right-hand corner. Click Account Settings and then Printers. Click the plus button in the lower right-hand corner and fill out your printer's information. And that's it! You're now ready to use our print client. If you had any troubles with the installation or have any questions, don't hesitate to call or email us. Our customer success team is ready to help you.